Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Will. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can perform the chi-squared test for independence on categorical variables, like the one we've got up here, and on ordinal variables, like the ones that are down here. Okay, so to do it for categorical variables, we go RealStatistics, Data Analysis Tools, Miscellaneous, Chi-squared test for independence, and OK. The first thing we need to do is we need to input our data. So just select from there to there. Don't need to include grand totals. The next step is ensure that column, row, and like headings are included with the data, which they definitely are. Okay. Our data doesn't contain any missing data. And this is categorical on rows and columns. Okay. So B6, if that's where you want to put the data, which is where I want to put the data, let's just select OK. And it'll perform the test for us. So cool. So this is if these two sets of data, if the year was independent of like someone's height, then these are the values that we would expect to go in each cell based on the row and column totals, right? So the way this is worked out, where the height is, where like we're in the first column and like we're in the first row, is we go 170 times 220, and we're dividing that by the total, okay? And that's basically how all of the expected values are worked out. Right. If we look down here at the chi-squared test for independence, both of our p-values here are definitely less than 0, which suggests that we reject the null hypothesis for the chi-squared test for independence. You can also play around with your level of significance, and that will tell you whether or not it's a significant result or not. So let's say you want 0.01, it'll change the critical value, but it doesn't change the p-value, obviously. So let's move on to our next table of data here. Same process, RealStatistics, Data Analysis Tools, Miscellaneous, Chi-squared test for independence. First step is we're going to input our data range. Okay. We're not missing any data, but it includes column and row headings are included with the data, and we have ordered rows and columns, right? So our variables, our like row names are ordered variables, right? So if everything else here is good, it doesn't contain missing data, Excel format's fine, no simulation test, yeah, let's hit OK. And it'll perform the chi-squared test for us. Awesome. There's also some ordered statistics that get calculated. So yeah. Cool. I'll see you guys in the next video.